What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of The Prelude. And today on the Camaro, I'm going to be changing out the vacuum harness. Something simple, vacuum PCV harness. It's that little, on the 3.4, those vacuum lines that kind of Y off at the top. I think it's behind the throttle body. Have the part here. This thing right here. Ooh, nice. Major vacuum leak. When you start it, you can hear it like hissing. So, I'll be doing that. Let's go out there and get started. Oh yeah, by the way. Jeez. Part number 102-17828 is the GM part number for that, if anybody was looking for that. Well, so this is the old one, and this is where it broke off, and here, right there. This is the whole thing. So this end goes to the PCV valve. This line here, your fuel pressure regulator. And then this one here goes underneath the, I think that would be the ignition control module on this on Chevys. I'm not familiar with this engine, so I think that's what that is back there. Back there, underneath that. And then this wraps around the engine. Not wraps around, but it goes back and then over. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that one on, and hopefully it fixes that hissing. I should have started this thing before I started doing this so you guys could hear. But anyways, yeah. This was right there. It was broken there. It was being held on by a clamp. So I'm going to put that on, and hopefully it helps with the issue. Well, there it is, guys. No, there's a little hissing sound, but not as bad as the first time. So I'm glad this issue got fixed. It's a lot smoother now. It doesn't smell so rich. Before it would like smell like a lot of gas.